In this video, I will show you how to connect your WhatsApp and Monday accounts. In the previous videos, we have already reviewed how to connect multiple WhatsApp numbers to your TimelinesAI workspace and invite team members. Once you set up all of your WhatsApp accounts, you can go to the Monday tab on the sidebar and connect your WhatsApp numbers with Monday. It has only two steps. First, press step 1. Now, go back to TimelinesAI and proceed with the step 2. Here you need to press Authorize button, and from this moment, your Monday CRM and WhatsApp numbers are connected. You can choose your Monday workspace. Whenever you have new incoming WhatsApp message, WhatsApp contact starts synchronizing to your Monday CRM as items. It will contain some data from your WhatsApp. Item name, date, phone number, and link to your conversation on WhatsApp.